waves. I know.
Right, one sample t-test, pretty easy with SPSS. I've set up a data set here, and you can see that it's got two values. IQ is one of them. We've selected 20 people here. And subject number, I just like having that in there. It's a good idea to have a subject number. You'll eventually see why when we get to this, the stuff, complicated ANOVA stuff. Anyway, so I've got my two variables set up. That's how you set them up in the variable view. Here they are in the data view. Pretty straightforward, right? So we got subjects, we got IQ. And we're going to see if these people are somehow different than the population. Maybe they were given an IQ improvement course, which of course would be bullshit. But first let's find out a little bit about the data. We can go to Analyze and go down to Descriptives and just learn some stuff about the data. Not too much, but we'll get the means with the percentiles, or the mean, I'm sorry. So we'll take our IQ dependent variable. Don't put it there, Dave. That's not where it belongs. Anyway, I've selected some statistics here. I've got it under a factor. It should actually be under dependent, shouldn't it? Right? Yeah, let's move it. That's you dummy. Okay, let's put it there because that's what you're measuring, right? And run it, and then the magic of having dual monitor set up, we'll pull that up and we'll see that there we go. There's some numbers, no big deal. Looks pretty good. And we got, of course, box plot, all this great stuff, percentiles, standard deviation, standard error, which is standard error is just the number, the standard deviation divided by the number of square root of the number of subjects. It's the bottom part of a t-distribution. Then let's run a t-test itself. We're going to compare a one sample t-test. So one sample t-test, there it is, and we're going to do it with the mean we're going to compare it to is 100, right? Because 100 is going to be, we want to see if they're different from the population, which has an IQ of 100. So let's do that. Okay. Right? I'd forgotten for a second to pull it up from the other monitor, which is below, but now you can see it, and it's really pretty straightforward. There's a couple of options. There's not a whole lot of options. Mostly this is just what size, what alpha level, what confidence interval size you want to use. You're going to just leave that where the hell it is. Don't change it. There's no reason to change that. And just about ready to go. Give it the old click on OK. And we're going to get the analysis, and yay! We found a significant difference. No, we didn't. We didn't find any significant difference. They're not different from 100, as you can see. So pretty easy, right? Enjoy.
Dave's not here.
Oh.